So there's something about coconut milk and corn mixed with rice that just comforts me so much. I think it's the rice, honestly. But here's a quick Filipino recipe that basically is coconut mixed with milk and rice and maybe some sweetener that of your choice that you could add. And it's great for any quick and easy dessert that you're looking to bring to a Filipino potluck or just to a potluck or just for yourself. It stores great in the fridge for at least a week and it is so good. And what's really neat about this recipe is you can make it really sweet or you can make it not so sweet. It really depends on your taste buds. So give this a try. Let me know if you like it. And if you want to see more Filipino recipes, let me know in the comments. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.